Welcome students. In today's lecture, we will start with the nucleophilic substitution reaction of alkyl halides. Now, we can also say that chemical properties of alkyl halides. First property is reaction with aqueous KOH. Reaction with aqueous KOH. Alkyl halide RX plus aqueous KOH on reaction gives a substitution reaction, means OH nucleophile will displace the halide ion and gives ROH, and remaining is KX as a salt. Now what we have, initially we have alkyl halide and finally we have alcohol. By this method we can prepare alcohol. Second is reaction with alkoxide. We will take RX and we will take alkoxide. Alkoxide RONA. This is alkoxy group and it is sodium alkoxide. Oxygen negative, sodium positive. Now what happens? X and sodium will form NaX, that is a salt, and remaining is what? R and RO group will combine together and forms ROR, that is a ether. The new compound is ether. By this method, by using sodium alkoxide and alkyl halide, we are able to produce ether. Now, third method, alkyl halide on reaction with potassium cyanide is alkyl cyanide, RCN, and remaining is what? K and X, salt of potassium. This is alkyl halide and this is alkyl cyanide. Next reaction is with silver cyanide, RX plus AgCN, RX plus AgCN, AgCN silver cyanide, RX alkyl halide. Now see what happens. There is a formation of AgX. This is silver halide. Now remaining is what? R is remaining and Cn negative ion is remaining. R and Cn negative combines together, but in the previous reaction we have seen that this R is connected to Cn negative ion by carbon, but in this case Cn negative will combine to R with nitrogen RNC. Look, here is a major difference. RCN and RNC both are different compounds. This is alkyl cyanide and this is alkyl isocyanide. Now, in both the reaction there is a nucleophile which is CN negative, but why the nucleophile CN negative is forming cyanide and isocyanide? Because of reactivity. Here in KCN reactivity and in silver cyanide reactivity is different. And in our previous lecture we have seen that embodiment nucleophile. Embodiment nucleophile is that nucleophile which contains two nucleophilic center. So here cyanide contains two nucleophilic center. One is nitrogen, another is carbon. Method number 5. Reaction of alkyl halide with lithium aluminium hydride. Lithium aluminium hydride is a potential reducing agent. It is a reducing agent which is very strong and almost reduces so many compounds. Now, reducing agent will reduce, means it will add hydrogen, and after reduction we have RH. Okay, addition of hydrogen in place of halogen. This reaction is reduction. Okay, by reduction of halogene using aluminium hydride, lithium aluminium hydride will produce alkane, RH. RH means alkane. Now, reaction with ammonia, RX plus NH3. Ammonia reacts with alkyl halide and produces primary amine. Here we have taken the primary halide, that's why we will get primary halide, R NH2, and remaining is what? X and one hydrogen, we will get HX. Okay, so from alkyl halide with reaction with ammonia we can get primary amine. Primary amine, that is alkyl amine. Another reaction is with acetylide, sodium acetylide, C triple bond CH. If we will take HC triple bond CH, then it will be acetylene. But we will remove H by sodium. Now it becomes acetylide. Okay, acetylide on reaction with RX. Acetylide on reaction with RX will produce R. This R group combines to this carbon and C triple bond CH. Now, what happens? Only the addition of R group on triply bonded carbon. By this process, what we have? We get higher alkyne. These are some chemical properties of alkyl halides, and today we will stop here and we'll see in the next lecture with a new topic.